Hey guys, today we are going to teach you how to make Ku Buns. Ku is a traditional Chinese steamed bun. It is a bit sweet and soft. Chinese people always use it for Chinese festival or worship their ancestors. Now let's start. To make Ku Buns, we need a steamer, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 8 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of margarine, 500 ml of water, and 1 kilogram of flour. First, add water into the mixer, then sugar, margarine, yeast, and flour. Put it into a mixer for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Cut a small piece of dough to make the skin. Add red food coloring to the small piece of dough and knead it well. Separate the white and pink dough into 10 small dough. Make white dough into long shape. Flatten the pink dough until it is very thin. Wrap the white dough with the pink dough. Prepare the steamer and leave the dough to proof for 30 minutes. Steam it for 15 minutes and it's done.